How to change group icon on WhatsApp chat. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to change your group icon on WhatsApp chats. And without any further delay, let's just get right into it. Open up WhatsApp and go over to the group where you want to change your group icon. So I'll just go here on this group, tap on the group info up top or there's the profile, and you can tap on the profile icon up top. Now if you want to change it, just go ahead and tap on the icon and tap the edit button up top. Now you can either select one from gallery or just select an emoji or sticker. I'll just continue on with emoji and sticker and select any emoji you want. So I'll just go over here and select this brain emoji for now. Change the background color to your choice. I'll just select this one over here and tap on done at the top right. Now you've successfully updated your group image. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.